another day.
Yeah, more happiness.
It is what it is.
You know what I mean?
I thought you were lying to me.
Lying to you? How?
About you being a virgin.
Oh, that. I needed to. Okay. And the reason I did that is because my friend, my female friend, once told me about her story. That she met a man and then she told him she was a virgin.
Okay.
And that was when the man started showing more love and caring. In fact, attention. So, that very day, the guy broke her virginity. She never heard from him again, meaning it was a setup or something. Yeah, because she told him that she is a virgin. That's why he pretended to love my friend. So I hardly tell people that
you were a virgin. So how was the film?
And I really enjoyed you very well. I didn't know it was this sweet. Or maybe you are sweet.
No, that's it. You have never had sex before and you experiencing it, and my brother dear. Then you know.
Squad, I enjoy Jamie. I'm late. I would say I'm late.
You are never late.
Are you sure?
So it means something special to you. So why do you have to just give it out to me? Let me know.
That's because I love you. I'll go all out. Yes, I did that because I love you so much. And I'm not even thinking about my sister or whatever she's going to feel about this, because I told her severally and she told me she's no more interested in you. So I needed to, you know, fit in. And I'm never going to leave you for anyone else. Just put that here. I want to have you to myself. Yeah.
I promise you I'm not gonna hurt you. I promise you I'm not gonna leave you for any other woman.
Are you sure about that?
But we got to do this secret.
Okay. Cross your heart if you mean what you're saying.
I cross it. I stand in this pool. Stand up. I want to make a vow. In this pool that I'm standing.
Okay.
All natures are animals. There's no way I'm gonna beat you down. I promise. I cross my heart. Yes, I love you.
And I love you too. I love you. Just be mindful of me. Hey, Auntie. Say my acquaintance that I'm a fisherman.
Meow.
And you want to hire?
I'm so online, Jumana made I'm out for Tonami delivery.
Delivery.
Yes, some more.
The months you.
I am never
Drink and say. Yeah, okay.
Oh, okay.
Wait, dear, read in your bonnet. Say, Mark, when you know, Michelle, then once it. Let's me, see, I make cassette. And normally they most posting a quiet my dear and quite to my
Oh yeah, no, my dear. Sometimes me post it, but my dear name go fast.
Oh, okay. And yeah, Mimia. I got to remember be the moon. Sir, Madam say say swimming pool in a
yes.
Nice to have family. I mean to me my M10, no sir. Madam say. It's not Miss Make catch us said okay, so for me, man. Oh, you. But more dear, shirts polo way, ni be nice one CB.
Mama
bed 10, no mama down bed 5.
Mama
for the start. I mean fam man. Na fe, yen hwe e bi achi sempabo se de na metaka ho a. Enye ska bi a mesa hetu din.
Mama
Ntente bi a be school ti.
Yeah.
O se mi nya na ni manimu ya de man ansa na se me kokra na ko back to ma.
Okay, nti de be an se me kofi a mesende o. Ntali ni bi no wa chi di
okay.
But one thing is say ejuma we na nko fast ma me nya ejuma fufu bi anka me wo nya ejuma bia.
Enko fast.
That bill.
Enko for say dey hit 2 DMs dey be delivery na enko fast.
Dia na ewom no kran like the that so kran do we it's me nya different job dia.
Okay, meaning say ekwo bat mfa so.
Yeah.
Ejuma die na ejuma pa e din. We get certificate kran na dan say.
Ejuma bia me right now because in school me anam tia me bibia nti no. Ejuma bia me.
So die. But the many sign moi. I say vacancy da high akoye housemaid.
My sister.
Hey,
my sister.
And that pen mouse I won't share news.
May
Ubet man.
My
prapra.
May be a mayor, my ready. One sanctuary be screen to send me na or may
obey.
May my ready.
And may nam could do common edge, ne be bay, and a minya hona, make credit anyway, creminimu you.
Even cry you say chance no or cry and come miss that. Hey, may serious. Many are brave.
And you only maybe. My name is Mammy Betty home come. I can't show na akasa for the working. Moy bi ode be man bia no ma hitu di ma ka.
Me twen ko.
Enwure ya me ni bedi home come.
Me akra met test too before say.
Hey, many are serious. Hey, but who do me so pesca say me?
Share.
Oh, je online no say be we
say enko school fees ni bibia me na me den.
So me say me amate. Nti no atade no me sure
me yeah, me the best send do before say.
Cause say me dem. We are by material.
Yeah, funny bedroom so now.
Say na before why?
It's
rather for crutching yes.
Oh, yeah.
And that for farm maybe I know around the same.
Okay. Into the metro.
Now when did you do
me okay.
Eh, we
do man no who hear me o.
Mate, me say my baba catch it.
Why?
Okay, na yam ko upstairs. Okay. You got throw away week be am talking and say. If you ever come here. Nobody. Sir. I say week for the DC coming. Yeah, so. Well, you go straight to what 10,000. Ade.
The way things are happening. No. I need to give this guy a chance. Because when it look as if he's flipping out of my hands. I can't let this happen. I need to do something ASAP. No. Maybe I should get the courage to talk to him. You see, you need to do this. You have to. You can't watch him slide. Could that be him? Could that be him?
Good morning.
Good morning.
You called me.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything I've been doing to you in this house. You know, it wasn't my intentions to do all this. It wasn't intentional. Because you left me in this house and you left without saying anything to me. You just called me. You've left my house. Got me thinking, you don't know what I went through. And so when you called me, when you came to the house and you want to stay, I didn't know what to do. I had no option than to treat you the way I'm treating you. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay.
You see, when I'm the way I'm Sidolfa.
I know.
Now with Shana, I was just trying to straight you, but now upon everything that I would do with you, I mean, like I said, no matter what it is, I still love this girl because I need to be a kind of way, man, way back.
Still love.
So, I say, woman, take lessons to you. Know how to treat human beings. Nyankopon will share for everything. Oh yeah, every man's dream, so I say. But character.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please.
We will rise above the waves, 'cause we've got love and we've got ours. We will rise above the waves, 'cause we've got
I promise. Have you forgiven me?
No.
You've not?
Yes.
Have you forgiven me, please?
No.
in this world of many, and the reason we feel strong together, 'cause we've got ours. I will hold you tight, and this road will be ours.
Oh,
Let's slowly wheel, 'cause we've got ours. We will rise above the waves, 'cause we've got love and we've got ours. We will rise above the waves, 'cause we've got love, we've got ours. I will hold you tight, and this road will be ours. Let's slowly wheel out, 'cause we've got ours. We will rise above the waves, 'cause we've got love, we've got ours.
What's up? I'm talking to you. I know you miss me. Do you like it?
So what's all this?
I'm sorry.
Sorry about what?
I just want to get closer.
No. I don't like this kind of games. No, what?
I miss us. I'm sorry.
Stop saying I miss us. I don't miss us.
Why?
Why?
I used to be your favorite.
And so?
Why are you doing this all of a sudden? And then I be a swatcher.
Why did you be swatching?
I don't know.
You always say
Wait, what? You're acting weird. Why? I've been pleading. I said I am sorry.
And I say, sir, I'm a servant, and a servant like me, I cannot be dating my mother.
Please, you're not my servant.
No, you said it, me patrol.
Wait.
No. Stop this.
Sorry.
I see. Sorry wouldn't solve the problem.
Don't push
Me
me.
no, you are not meant to be there.
Listen, we are meant together.
No.
It was for you. Please don't do this. Please stop.
Don't let me push you.
You want to push me? Stop, please.
Please.
I'm sorry.
I'm not sorry again.
Really, Stella? Really? I said I'm sorry.
No words can describe what you mean to me. You are the sunshine. You light up every part of me. I have so many faces, ain't nobody else better than you. When you open the door, I'll be the one you see. If you're looking for somebody, we'll love you all through the night. I'll be waiting for you. Baby, please can't see the me. I wanna spend every day of my life right by your side. You say I do. Nothing in this world can stop me now. Baby, I'm ready for you. For you, hey. I'm ready for you.
For say I share those kind of costumes. So like I say because me here me go to Ontario no me penta this up me life papa and me ko be as only time me chefie. Until only time me trousers here too. Yeah, and also still feel cry.
Like seriously?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what? I don't know what town I'll do shopping for you.
Shopping.
Yes.
Only will be in shopping, man, because the kind of costumes are making. Maybe I will be off, maybe me and him.
Okay, what if I give you the money? Me this kind of money, so I'll call you.
No, I never want to say. You and I go.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, come on, Miss Kevin, I'm on the cotton idea. You're guessing you.
Me know you never call then. Buy what you want. I'll pay for it.
You're so different.
Yeah, I have to, you know. Since you're the first man in my life.
People just are watching us.
Okay.
So don't be speaking these things out.
Okay.
Bestie.